A beautiful night for stargazing, clear skies for the vast majority. A bit more clouds spilling in across eastern areas, and it's going to be another warm one, especially so across the south. Now, as I said, there is a bit of cloud across the east coast, initially just across the southeast of Scotland, but it's going to drift inland and drift further south. Any of today's showers clearing away from the far southwest, potential for one or two over the Channel Islands. But for most, it's dry and it's clear. As I said, it will be quite warm. Perhaps not quite as humid as last night across the south, but still reasonably uncomfortable for sleeping as temperatures stay in the mid-teens here. Means a beautiful warm start to Tuesday. As I said, there is the risk of one or two showers over the Channel Islands. They can't be completely ruled out across the southwest, but for most places, dry and sunny sums it up. Now, parts of eastern England will start quite grey. That mist and low cloud will move back to the coast. Some of the beaches may just stay a little misty, but as I say, for most, it's all about the sunshine. We're not going to see too much of that, though, in Shetland. Here, I think it will stay quite cloudy. And, of course, the cloud has a big impact on the temperatures. So the highest values through Tuesday, again, across the Midlands, parts of southern England and South Wales, getting into the high 20s. It will be that much cooler on the east coast, especially if it does stay misty. But generally, the coasts will be that much cooler with some sea breezes developing. We'll keep a lot of cloud in Shetland through the evening, a small chance for shower in the southwest, but for most, it is going to be a balmy summer's evening. If you've got plans, it may just turn a little bit cloudier and a little bit cooler once more on those eastern coasts. Fast forward to Wednesday, and it's more of the same. Perhaps a little bit more cloud at times in the west, and there is again a slim chance of seeing a shower or two. Again, parts of the east coast may be a little bit grey and misty, but for most places, hazy sunshine and temperatures soaring into the mid to high 20s in places. More warm sunshine to come throughout this week. If you're desperate for some rain, well, I can offer you only very isolated showers, especially so on Thursday. For most, the fine weather is set to continue into the weekend. The sun is strong, though. Don't forget, UV levels will be high or very high. You'll need the sunscreen, and pollen levels also remain very high in places. More information about both of those things on our website.